What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Samsung curved 27-inch monitor. And the reason you want a curved monitor is just to give you a little less eye strain. It gives you more of an immersive gaming experience. And you know what? Super slim design. And looking over it here, we got, it is a HDMI is included in this thing. And this model is the CF396, by the way. You can see right there, oh wow, they really packed this in here nicely. And what I'm going to be running on, I'm going to be running on an iBuyPower mesh PC here. So getting it out of here. You know what, we don't need some of this stuff. Get that out of here. Oh, this thing is very thin, very light and thin, everybody. You can see it right there. Curved monitor. Set that up there. Okay, down in here, it looks like we get a stand, the power cord. I'm guessing that's the power cord. More stuff for the stand. And yeah, HDMI cable is included. It was an HDMI to HDMI and the power cord. So let's go ahead. Let me put all this down, set this thing up, and then we'll come back. Okay, I got it all set up, everybody. So I'm not going to use their supplied HDMI. I have a display port to HDMI cable that runs out of this PC, so I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to show you guys how I did this right here. So back here, you've got the power. Now, I'm not cinching this down all the way because sometimes I'm going to mount my monitor in my house on a rotating type desktop, and I'm going to use these bolts. Sometimes when you push this down, it doesn't want to mount all the way. And so I'm not going to do that. I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. To put this together was super simple. You just slide them together and then screw them down. So we got the HDMI cable there. I'll put that aside. We're going to plug this in. The power cord goes there. It looks like it's got a headphone jack coming out of it. The adjustment and all that over here. I'm going to run this around the back of the PC and then get this thing fired up and we'll come back. All right, there it is, everybody. The monitor's set up. You can see it right here, how good this thing looks. I think it's doing some downloading on the PC here, but I'm just showing you how nice this monitor looks. This looks great. This is going to be a great gaming monitor for, I think, anyone that just wants to have a good, affordable monitor for like gaming, watching videos, maybe even doing some sort of like multitasking or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Samsung curved monitor. See y'all in the next video.